more chicken in the middle of the night. Nana, I have some kimchi here. I'm on rice because we don't eat rice. So I ordered 4 flavors. That original flavor, snow cheese, 24 cheddar, and of course the very famous Jack Daniels chopsticks. Chopsticks. We'll try each one of these. So, I think this is the original. Ang laki talaga ito. Oh my god. First bite. Good. It's good. Kung may compare mo na sa Bok, hindi ko alam. Kasi I haven't tried the original flavor of Bok. So, how about the snow cheese? Let's try. Kalasa lang din naman ng Bok. Ano lang, yung cheese lang, diba? Next, I think this is the famous 24 cheddar. This talaga, balat ng balat. Literal. Masarap. Hindi ko maalam. Masarap. Last, famous or the infamous Jack Daniels. Lasang anak ba or what? But based on the reviews that I have watched, classic Filipino barbecue daw yung flavor niya. Let's see. It's good. It's good. Good siya. Okay. Wala ko na review. Kakain na ako. Tulog pa ako.